Say hello. You are 7 months today. Yes, you are. You're in your little walker. You know how to walk in it now, not just go backwards. Walking at Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi. Hey, Darian. Hey, Darian. Look.
Make him laugh, Kevin. Make him laugh.
Oh, how? How do I make you laugh?
Ooh, look at those little feet.
Darian, look. Hey, Darian, look. Mmm. Mmm.
He likes it when you surprise him and stuff.
Hey, Darian. Hey, Darian. Darian. Darian, look. Where? I'm gonna take the toys off his desk.
Okay.
Darian. Hey, Darian, you have nothing to pay attention to Daddy. Hey, Darian. Look. Darian. Hey, where's Dad Bear?
He doesn't care about Daddy. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. You like Mommy. You love Mommy. Say hi, Darian. Hi. Hi, Silly Billy. Oh, you walking.
Hey,
Okay.
Darian. Look up here.
Darian, what you doing, huh? What are you doing? With your toys? Show Mommy your toys. Show Mommy your toys. Huh? What do you do when you play with your toys? You move the ring? Yay, that's fun! It's fun!
This one your favorite, Darian? Is your favorite toy? Huh? Let's see what he does with it.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yes, we like to eat things. Eat everything. Anything and everything. That's not the real time, by the way. This clock is really fast. So those people don't think we're having you pass up your bedtime. No, we don't.
Look what time it is.
Jumpy, 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 jump. A jumpy, jump. Jumpy, jump. Jumpy, 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 jump. Jumpy, jump. Yay! Look at those little feet. You like to dance.
You like to
dance
dance,
for
Dada?
Mommy, silly Billy boy. You're so silly, Billy. Silly Billy.
Hey, Darian, why don't you talk for us? Talk for us.
Say your B sounds. Ba 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 ba.
Appa.
Abba, abba,
Appa.
abba,
Appa.
ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba.
What?
Ba 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 ba.
He's trying to walk towards us.
We give him the pacifier. Now we can't hear him.
Well, usually when I give him the pacifier, he starts
Come
chewing
on,
on it
say
and
something.
playing.
No, don't grab the camera string. No, that's not nice. Say something. I'm not
Hey,
gonna
Darian.
stop until you say something. Darian, say something.
Come on, Darian.
You're so close. Come on, let's record your
Come
Your
on,
voice.
say something. Say something, Darian. Oh.
Oh.
Maybe if we put him on the changing table.
Why don't you like scare him, go boo or something?
Can't lose like this.
Or just go up to him all of a sudden in his face and just go boo.
Darian, boom! Darian. It's not gonna work.
We gotta do it like suddenly and like in his face.
Why don't you do it?
Cause you're the one who makes him laugh more than me. Are you walking to daddy? Are you walking to daddy?
Where's Darian?
Oh, yeah. You're walking to daddy. Look at you walk.
Darian.
You just got this a couple days ago. His big legs. Darian, come back to mommy. Darian. Darian. Silly Billy. Show us how you can come around. Come here, Darian. Darian. Aw, daddy's too exciting, huh? Darian, come here. Oh, he's trying to get you to laugh. He won't laugh. Daddy's laughing more than you are. Oh, Dee Dee. Oh, Dee Dee. You're a good Dee Dee. Dee, sit. Oh, good dog. Darian, come back. Darian, come back. Come back to mommy. See? Look, Darian. Say hi to mommy.
Say hi.
Darian. Silly Billy. Silly Billy, dear bear. Hi, Silly Billy. See, you know your name already. You've known your name for a while now. You know your name is Darian. Look at you.
Hey, Darian. Darian, look over here. Come on.
Boom. Okay. I think that's going to be it for now. Say bye-bye, Darian.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Boo! Silly Billy. Where are your high-pitched noises when we don't? When we do need them, Darren? Okay. All right then. Oh! You're walking towards mommy. Too quickly. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye, Darian.
Bye-bye. You're a smiley baby. That's definitely true, huh? Buh. You're so close. I know you're gonna say something.
There, bear. Come on, say something. Darian. Uh-oh.
Do.
Hey, Darian, look. Over here. Look at there, bear.
Okay, so we'll just end it here. Okay, bye-bye, Kevin.
Bye-bye.
Should we say what the date is? March 25th, 2006. Darian is 7 months old today. Okay, bye-bye.
She's tired. I'm tired.
Okay. Let's go to bed.